Welcome and thank you for enrolling in Discover Italy, a 2-week vacation. I'm sure you'll enjoy the course, and I hope that at the end of it, you'll have a good idea of the best places to visit in Italy. This course includes short video lectures that will summarize the itinerary for each day of the vacation, along with PDF files that describe the daily itineraries in detail. We also provide you with maps and Google Earth files so you can easily locate the places I mentioned in the videos. In addition, we have created a set of HTML files available for download as a zip file. This file is added to this lecture as an extra resource. Please download the file and unzip it on your computer. When you load one of the HTML files on your browser, you'll be able to see many of the places we suggest visiting using the Google Street View service. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding our course, or if you want to show your own experience and your own stories from Italy, please use the course discussion board to do so. And of course, if you're currently planning a trip to Italy, then I wish you a successful and enjoyable vacation.